Have you ever tried uploading a PDF for a form, job application or any website and it just wouldn't upload because the file size exceeds the limit? It's frustrating, especially when there's a strict size restriction and no option to continue. Today, I'll show you the easiest and free way to compress a PDF file right on your Android phone without losing quality. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store and download the Sysmeet PDF Editor and Scanner app on your phone. I've also added the official download link in the description so you can check it from there. Now, let us open the app. Once you open the app, you'll see the Compress PDF option on the home screen. Just tap on it. Next, tap on Select PDF and choose the file you want to compress. I'll select my file here. Now, you'll see three options: low, medium, and high compression. Low compression means the quality will stay almost the same, but the file size won't reduce that much. Medium is a balanced option. You get a decent size reduction with good quality. And high compression will reduce the file size the most, but you might notice a slight drop in quality. You can choose any option depending on your need. I'll select this option and now just tap on Compress. Wait for a few seconds and that's it. Your compressed PDF is ready. Take a look at this. My original file was much larger and now it has been compressed to a much smaller size. The text is still perfectly sharp and readable. Also, this app is not just for compressing PDFs. You can edit, scan, sign, and even protect your files all in one place. Before you go, what's the most annoying problem you face while working with PDFs on your phone? Have you ever wasted time trying to edit a PDF and it just didn't work? Or what's that one thing in PDFs that always frustrates you? Tell me honestly in the comments. If this helped you, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such tech tips.